Hello, hello. My name is Dondi Dahlin, and these are your Wednesday Energy Minutes. A lot happens right here between the eyes, here on the forehead, here at the bridge of the nose. So let's talk about this. Spiritually, this is called the seat of intuition, the third eye. Why? Well, it reaches in and activates the pineal gland, which is inside the head. This is just one of the reasons. The pineal gland is called the connection between the spiritual world and the physical world. The pineal gland also works with melatonin and circadian rhythms, so that's really important, your sleep cycles. Also, this area is an area of acupressure points, different points. Some of them are the first ones on your nervous system. If you can calm your nervous system, if you can sedate, as we say, your nervous system, you will be able to handle life better. You will be able to say, yeah, I got this. I can do this. Okay, that was difficult. The thing with my kids was difficult. Things with my mom were difficult. Okay, that work colleague, but I can do this. You want to calm your nervous system. All right, so we're going to work with this area. But one more thing, a lot of you, maybe you watching right now, tend to get headaches in the frontal part of your head, or eye strain, or you just feel tension through this area, sort of building up tension. Let's work with it. One of the first things I like to do is come in with my fingers, any finger, and just press deeply here at the corners of the eyebrows, massaging. You can massage in little circles. Again, any fingers right here, corner of the eyebrows, massage. I go pretty deep and it's tender on me right now. You're hitting a lot of points here, and you can look at acupressure charts if you're interested in knowing what they are. I'll give you a clue. One of them is bladder. It doesn't mean I'm going to pee my pants, but just a little help for the bladder. I know it's strange for some of you who don't work in acupressure or energy medicine or Chinese medicine that a bladder point can be up here, and isn't our bladder down there? But it's connected through energy lines called meridians. So sometimes you get a point in a completely different spot than that actual organ in your body. But it's connected. Body, mind, brain, head, torso, trunk, legs, limbs, they're all connected. We cannot separate them, at least in Eastern medicine. In Western medicine, yep, they try to separate them. They aren't separated. So this is one of the things I like to do. And this can help you with eye strain, with headaches, this whole area. Okay, another thing you can do for this tension is just come here and massage straight up all over your forehead. Do you see how I'm doing that? Pretty deeply, actually, pretty deeply. We're going to massage up. Today our energy minutes are going to be a bit longer because I really want to show you this. You're hitting a bevy of points here. I won't tell you all the organs, but they're important for a lot of organs down there. Oh my gosh, one of the very important ones is liver. Okay, so that should help with some of the strain in your head, maybe headaches. I like to go pretty deep, like a deep massage. But one more thing, I talked about this, the third eye, your seat of intuition. When you are feeling happy, when you're feeling joyful, when you've had a belly laugh with you, when you're with good friends, or maybe you aren't so happy these days, but you can remember a happy time. Tap it in. You're going to tap right here on that point. Tap it in. Again, some of the first points on your nervous system, you are actually training your nervous system to be calm, to bring more joy, to bring happiness, to bring moments of awe. There are studies being done about moments of awe. Most of them are coming out of UC Berkeley in California. People who experience awe live longer. So you can look into that. Ooh, the wind is kicking up. I hope it's not too loud. Tap it in. So again, belly laugh, happy moments, good times. You're out at a wonderful meal and that food is so delicious. Tap it in. Tap it in right there. This runs on an energy system called the radiant circuits. And you're going to train your radiant circuits. You're going to train your nervous system. You're going to train your body, cellular memory for more joy. Okay, tap it in, promise me. So you have the massage here inside the eyebrows. You can rub it, rub it, rub it. You have the massage up with the fingers, hitting all of these different points. And you have the third eye, intuition, the seat of intuition. This feels good. All right, a little bit longer today. I'm in Melbourne, Australia, otherwise known as Melbourne. Did I do it? Australians, you can tell me in the comments. Did I get the accent? Melbourne. It's a beautiful city. More pubs and restaurants here per people, per population, than any other city in the entire world. Can you believe it? And the BBC has told us that Melbourne has just passed Sydney as the biggest city in Australia. And it's beautiful. I am right smack dab in the middle of this urban area, this big city. And look behind me, all sorts of parks and waterfalls and fountains and ducks. All right, everybody, I will see you next week. Bye-bye.